Closing high. Let's bring in Michael Skordeles, head of U.S. macro strategy at Suntrust Advisory Services, and Stephanie Aaronson, vice president and director of economic studies at the Brookings Institution. She's also former assistant director of research and statistics at the Federal Reserve. Very good afternoon to you both. Michael, you don't think there's going to be a rate cut in July?
I think it's a little too early to be talking about rate cuts in July, particularly since we haven't gotten the inflation data that's been mentioned here in the last few minutes. It's just a little early for that.
So your base case is no action for the rest of the year at all, or just not necessarily this month?
Not necessarily in July. We need to get a little bit more data. The Fed really is data dependent, but that data dependency really means digesting all of the data, not just one report. So this July report was not some sort of make or break that the Fed was going to raise because of it or not raise because of it. So it really is a holistic kind of view.
Stephanie, where do you fall within this rate debate?
I think I agree. The report was strong. It definitely showed some slowing in the economy this year relative to last year, but nothing that was unexpected, given that growth last year was boosted by the tax cuts. And I think this alone certainly would not cause the FOMC to lower rates. I think the bigger question is how concerned they are about their inflation target. It's true, there's always more data to come, but there certainly have been opinions voiced by some of the Reserve Bank presidents that they are worried about achieving their target. And it's possible that they could do a 25% basis point cut in July just to show that they're very serious about it.
But Stephanie, I mean, I'm sure you're well aware that the market was possibly even expecting 50 basis points cut in July before today, now still expects 25 basis points. Are you suggesting, along with Michael, that the market is ahead of itself for expecting any cuts at all?
I think it's certainly ahead of itself for expecting 50 basis points. I think 25 basis points, I wouldn't rule it out, as I said, because I think there are, people on the FOMC who are concerned about their inflation target.